Hi friends, let me explain how to start instances and stop instances using Boto 3 module. So in my account I have test servers and production servers. So using Boto 3 program I want to start all these servers. So let us consider one scenario. I have a test servers in my test environment. So I want to start those servers at the morning 8 o'clock and I want to stop those servers at 6 o'clock at the evening. Only test servers. So how do I do that? We can see it right now. As of now, I have test servers, two test servers, and two production servers. So let me separate by tag name only test servers. See how to do that using our programming. So let me open my Boto 3 documentation. Boto 3 documentation for the EC2, right? Just open it. This link to the documentation. Here I'm using client object for the EC2 resource. Just click on client object. Let me import Boto 3 module as well as let me create the object for the EC2 resource using client method. Right? Let me copy those two lines. This will import Boto 3 module. This will create a client object for the EC2 resource using client object. So I want to write the program for EC2 instance where I want to start and stop. So this documentation will give different methods and functions as per our requirement. Let me go through this. Somewhere I have the describe instances, right? So deregister describe. So here I have the describe instances method. Let me open this. So describe instances will return a collection of EC2 instances in our account. So let me copy this method and paste in my programming and see what will happen. So this describes instances will return all the instances, right? So describes the specified instances or in all instances here. Let me copy this method and call from a client object. So our client object is client dot describe instances. So let me print this statement and see what is the output here. We print. Let me save on SQL. So I forget one more print it. So this will return all the instances as a dictionary for each and every instance. Okay. So let me use bprint module. This will print the output as JSON format, right? So let me use my bprint. Now see the import. So I forgot again. I have to use bprint. The bprint method will define the output as JSON format, right? So here I have the dictionary format. The output as the dictionary format, which is for the all the instances. So let me copy this key value reservations and let me print here. So now see the output again. This will return one list. So in the list, all the instances are available. This is the instances, right? Where I can get the instance ID. So let me take the, so I have 4 instances. For that, let me loop for the each instance. For each instance in this reservations. Let me loop it, and instance is also one of the list output. That means we need to loop for the each and every instance, right? Each instance ID in each instance of, let me copy this and paste. Here I'm going to take the key value as instances. Let me take this one as a key and print here. Now in the instance ID. Now see the output. This will also return one dictionary for each and every instance. So somewhere I can see the instance in the dictionary. This is for one instance, and also the next one is also one dictionary for another instance. Let me take the instance ID for one instance, right? Let me execute. See, now you retrieve all the instance IDs, but I want to, so let me show you. These are the 4 instances IDs. I executed this program and I fetch all the instances IDs of all the environment, but I want to fetch the test environment IDs, right? For that, let me filter. Somewhere I have filter method, right? Let me open this filter and apply it in our programming, right? Describe instances. So now let me pass this. So I want to pass the tag value test environment as the parameter. Let me define one object, tag test environment, right? You can define any object here. So let me copy filter parameters. The filter parameters in a dictionary format. So let me copy the same code from the Boto 3 documentation. I'm copying from the Boto 3 documentation only. I'm not writing my own code. So you can get all the methods and functions from the Boto 3 only. No need to write. So here I want to pass. Here I want to pass the tag value, tag name and tag value. My tag name is test environment, right? My tag value, let me copy from my instance. So my tag value of test environment here is test env. This is the key value for the tag. Let me copy from and paste here. And the value for this tag value, tag key is yes. This is the tag value. So let me pass this parameter to filter method. So after executing this, this code will fetch only test environment IDs only, right? See, these are the 2 IDs for the test environment. So this will return the IDs for the test environment servers, right? Let me check from the code. So here 2D9B 32B, 2D9B 32B. This is the IDs for the test environment servers, right? So once you have the IDs for the test environment, we can start the missions, right? So for that, let me go through this documentation. So is there any method available for the start instance? Let me go through this documentation. So somewhere we have start instances, right? Let me open this method. So somewhere we have start instances method, right? Let me copy this one. So this start instance function will accept instance IDs as a list. Let me copy this and let me apply for my client. My client here is client dot start instance method, and the instance ID and the arguments for this method is instance IDs, right? So our each instance, let me pass this instance ID to the instance IDs, right? Let me pass here. And let me comment this one, and the same one, let me I executed from Sublime Text. Now see the my AWS account for the test. Let me refresh this page. Only test server should be start, right? Now only test servers are starting. This is how you can start the test servers. If you have the 20 test servers using this code, you can execute all the, you can start all the test environment. Using Lambda function, you can trigger this event at 8 o'clock. Let me open my code and let me this code will start instances, right? Using filters, filter as tag name. So let me copy this code and start. So now I want to stop those servers, right? Let me go through this document. The same document will provide the stop instances, right? So stop an ABS blocked instance, right? So you have to call this method in our program. Just let me call this method from my programming. So I want to modify this. Okay, let me comment this starting programming. Let me comment this. Yes, now my test servers are running now. I want to stop these servers, right? So let me save this. Let me print starting instances. I'm passing one statement. So let me execute this and see the output. Oh, sorry, these are the stopping, right? I written as starting. So now Yes, the machines are stopping now. Only test servers are stopping now, right? Just stopping. We'll just modify the statement stopping. Yes, this is how you can learn the programming, Boto 3 programming. So all the methods I'm calling from the Boto 3 documentation only. Just you have to know how to call, where to call. That's how. Thank you.